What is up everyone, welcome back to this video. So if you're either using AirPod and AirPod Pro and having problem with the sounds, or you're probably getting the least sounds, especially when you're on the call or maybe when you are trying to listen to the music. Well, if you're having problem any of those related to your audio or your music or even on your call sound related problem, then you might want to watch this video, because in this video we're going to be showing you all that compact process where you'll be able to fix this problem. Now let's go ahead and get started. Well, in the first part of the video, we will explain how you can fix the problem, especially when you're getting less sounds when you're on the call. So first, make sure that your AirPod is connected with your iPhone, and now all you want to do is just go ahead and open up your settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, tap Headphone Safety. Now once you're here, all you want to do, you completely want to turn your reduce loud sounds. You basically can turn it off just by tapping it here. Or if you want to just reduce your sounds, loud sounds, you basically can put it all the way up to your 100% decibels. Well, it is highly recommended that you can simply turn it off and your volume most likely will rise up. Now let's go ahead and talk about the next process. The next things that you can do, just go ahead and open up your setting one more time, then scroll down, tap Accessibility. Once you're here, all you want to do, you want to come down here and find out audio and visual. Go ahead and tap your audio and visual. Now once you're here, just go ahead and tap your headphone accommodations, and here also all you want to do, you want to simply turn it off. Therefore your ear volume will rise up right after you do this process, especially when you're on the call. Now after doing this process, let's go ahead and move on to the next process, especially for music. Well, if you're having, or let's say you're getting less sounds when you're playing or listening any music on your iPhone, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so now especially for your music, if you want to get louder sounds on your music, on your AirPod or AirPod Pro, the first things you want to do from here, just go ahead and open up your settings. Now scroll down all the way back to your music, tap your music from here. Scroll down one more times and tap EQ. So EQ basically stands for equalizer. So most of the iPhone users, they basically set it off, but if you just select some of the, let's say, category from here, so let me tell you which categories are the best for your, especially for high quality sound. So here, let me tell you the names, such as the bass booster or flat, and also that another one called rock. So if you select any of those from here, then your sounds will get automatically louder from your AirPod Pro or AirPods. So here we'll be just basically selecting this rock, and here we'll just give you the demonstration before and after, right after this one. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and just show you right now. So now I'll play this music, and this is the microphone that we basically use, and this is the AirPod that we're gonna test. So this is the previous sound. Now we're going to go ahead and show you the current sounds after doing all of the process. Now, this is the current sound. So, well, I can definitely tell you guys this sound is much higher than before. Alright guys, that's all for now. Hope this video is useful, and hopefully you will have learned how you can just louder your AirPod Pro and also your AirPod as well. So hope this video is useful. If so, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more useful content for yourself.